This is a pack of the most handy and useful titles. It works with our awesome free plugins for Premiere Pro and After Effects, and it might be the last pack of titles you'll ever need. There are only those titles that are useful. The most essential types like one-liners, two-liners, lower thirds, text boxes, and so on. There are multiple styles of design. These styles were picked specifically because these designs are timeless. They will never get old. You may use them in any video forever. Customization is brought to the next level. These titles are designed to work with any font. That gives you complete freedom. It rescales automatically. You can adjust position and scale. Change colors, the stroke, round edges, skew, and so on. You can save it as a preset so you can use it again later. You can combine different titles to create your own. You can even edit multiple items at once. So if you create something using multiple titles or elements, you can easily move it together. There are also social media titles. The cool part is that you can use thousands of different icons. And what I love the most? When I'm working on a video, I never know what exactly I need. This way, I can very quickly try different things and see what looks best. It's so cool. People love our products, and this is the best pack of titles we ever made.